Skate Dad and the Rascal back in the garage for part 2. That was a front shove. Rolling fakie for a sketchy Manny. A fakie front shove. Fakie ollie. And another one of those. A cheeky foot plant. Going up into rail stand. Just spinning that round. Trying fakie big spins. And do it without touching the wall. Last one was a bit better. Then we're trying a heel flip. Ended up in a bit of a battle with these at the end of this session. So close. Not so close, that one. Little wheel flip. Again, back to the heel flip. So near but yet so far. Gonna have a few more attempts at this. That was an ollie. See you on the next one. Thank you.